Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and this is episode 131 of Gardening Without Edits. Let me show you something really quick. Let me flip it around right now. It's pretty hot. I just want to hurry up and harvest all the flavor Grenade Pluots. You can see them right here. Let me do ultra wide. You can see all of it. You see? Look how thick the clusters are. I put fake snakes here. The snake fell off. One moment, let me zoom in. So birds peck at it, but this almost completely stops if you put a bird bath in your backyard. I moved mine, I gave mine to my neighbor. I was afraid that Talene will topple it. It's made of concrete. I don't want Talene, my daughter, to get hurt. I'll show you how heavy some of the limbs are. This limb used to be nice and straight. Hangs over, look at that. Look at all that. Isn't that amazing? Hundreds of expensive flavor Grenade Pluots. Let's see if I can go down. Maybe you can see better. And so easy to take care of and so easy to harvest, and nothing is higher than my hand. I don't need a ladder, so I just pick like this and we're done. All those in that area. I don't have to get a ladder. I can just stand around it and just pick. Pretty cool. All right, everybody. Stay tuned. Also, I put a post in the community page of, let me show you how shiny they can get. I put a post in the community page. I bought it's about $200 almost, a mosquito attractant with a basket. So I'm gonna be harvesting some mosquitoes, hopefully. Let me show you. Isn't that nice? Let's see how it tastes. I'll explain right now. I got asked a lot about that a lot. It tastes like, I would say almost 50-50 sweet to sour. It's more sour than sweet, or excuse me, acid to sweetness. Dense, like Dapple Dandy, but more crunchy than moist. And Grenade, it's like the Grenade sound must be because it's like the size of a grenade, but I think it's also because it's crunchy and it's like an explosion of flavor. All right, everybody, I gotta get back to harvesting. Happy gardening. Bye.